Experience this change in your body by performing squats every day. Squats are regarded as a lower body complex exercise, which simply means they target several muscular groups and necessitate teamwork from those muscles in order to accomplish the movement. As you squat, your quads, glutes, and hamstrings are asked to work together in order to carry out the majority of the lifting while coordinating the bending and extending at the hips and knees. However, your calves, core muscles, and even your back and shoulders are also engaged in order to maintain proper form and alignment to protect your joints from injury. Keep watching this video as you move to find out more. First of all, strengthen the muscles in your lower body by performing squats, which essentially work every major muscle in your butt, including the 3 gluteal muscles. Legs are hamstrings, quadriceps, and calves. Hips are abductors, adductors, and hip flexors. And core is your abdominals, spinal erectors, and the smaller stabilizing muscles of your hips, all of which will experience improvements in muscular strength and endurance over time if you perform a squat with proper form and complete the movement through the full range of motion. When incorporated into your regular workout routine, squats to increase the muscular strength of your lower body can pay off in day-to-day life. For example, if you support a weighted barbell across the back of your shoulders or perform an overhead squat with your arms fully extended, you're going to challenge the muscles of your shoulders, arms, chest, and back. Enhanced metabolism. Squats can increase your metabolism in a number of ways. First, whenever you work, you'll burn more calories because you'll be using bigger muscle groups. Since muscle is a metabolic tissue during exercise, focusing on large muscular groups like the glutes, hamstrings, and quads will result in a higher metabolic rate than using smaller muscles later as you gain muscle. You'll experience increased strength and be able to lift larger objects. Gaining muscle with resistance training allows you to work harder, which increases the number of calories you burn. By concentrating on major muscle groups and increasing your overall muscle mass, you can finally increase your metabolism. Stronger core. Squats, while primarily targeting the legs, also involve a good degree of core stabilization and engagement. Over time, this will help to strengthen the muscles in your lower back and abdomen. However, squats shouldn't be used in place of regular core exercises. This is so that the core, which is made up of numerous different muscle groups, can stabilize and expand your spine, including the ab muscles like the rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, and obliques. Squats seem to be better at strengthening the erector spinae than a plank exercise, but the plank turns out to be better at strengthening the rectus abdominal, or the six-pack muscles, than the squat. Target the core using several methods. You may have heard that squats are bad for you, that they can hurt your knees or cause back pain, and it's true that injuries can happen if you perform a squat incorrectly or if you lift more weight than you're prepared to lift. But when done with proper form, the strength you develop during squats can help reduce the risk of injury and improve athleticism. Better flexibility. Most individuals don't automatically link strength training and flexibility, although flexibility can improve with strength training. If you lift weights, you might think that it will make you less flexible. Isn't it true that flexibility is actually improved by strength training, especially when performed across a full range of motion? Bulkier muscles may make it difficult to move around, but this isn't always the case. Did this video motivate you to begin performing squats daily? Post your thoughts in the comments section. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it to learn more fascinating facts about the human body. To see more videos that can help you achieve your goals, please subscribe to our channel, Fitness Vault.